In today's video, we will be comparing two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the Portable Mini Washer. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency in small spaces, but they have distinct features that cater to different needs. Let's dive into the details to see which one might be the better fit for you. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring you to crank it by hand, which can be a workout but is eco-friendly as it doesn't use electricity. On the other hand, the Portable Mini Washer is electric and offers automatic washing, making it more convenient for those who prefer a hands-off approach. However, this means it requires a power source, which might be a limitation in certain situations. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, which is suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Portable Mini Washer has a capacity of 10 liters, allowing you to wash more items at once. This difference can significantly affect how often you need to do laundry, especially if you have larger loads. The WonderWash features a simple design with a hand crank mechanism, making it easy to use but requiring physical effort. In contrast, the Portable Mini Washer offers multiple washing modes, which provide versatility for different types of laundry. This could be a deciding factor for users looking for more functionality in their washing experience. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the Portable Mini Washer have their unique advantages. If you value portability and eco-friendliness, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer convenience and a larger capacity, the Portable Mini Washer may be the better option for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.